Yo, what's up with y'all? What's up with y'all? Back with another vid today. So today is Wednesday, November 12th. It's 11:42 p.m. 11:42 a.m. and I got up a little minute ago, did what I needed to do. You see I got a Chipotle shirt on, some Bart Simpson pajamas. But today, I don't know, probably gonna chill today, get some homework done, cook a little bit, probably maybe read, yeah. So probably gonna go ahead and make some pancakes, watch some TV or something, and then yeah, see where the rest of the day goes. I don't know what day it is, I don't know what time it is. But we gotta go to the car. It's gonna be me, Xavier, Benny, and Jay, two roommates, homie. Yeah, we're gonna see. It's gonna be the first time I ever went to a little car show in Houston, so I never really been to a car show, period. So we gonna see what it's talking about. I got basic calm tee on the top. Got some regular jeans on, gonna throw some forces on. That's really the outfit. I don't know. Yeah, I probably won't put no accessories or nothing on. I'm probably just gonna go like this.
Get that bulletproof, nigga thirsty, I'ma give his ass a glass of pussy juice. I'm tatted in the motherfucker, niggas on my ball. I just got a wax pussy looking like Steve Harvey. He put that pussy working around and call him Charlie. I just got back.
I'm outside, we outside at the fucking cart meet. It's just I'm telling you, Chevy the way to go, bruh. What else they got around this week? Chevy.
Who has 576? Going once, going twice. 594. We got a 594. Bring it up.
Beamers. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I get behind? Thank you. Lambs. Nice lambs. Ooh.
594. Go ahead and take your ticket to the MNX.
The next morning.
Yo. Okay, it's about 9:20. It's about 9:20. I'm about to get ready, finish packing my bags. We're going to the airport to go see somebody. I think that's all I'm saying for right now. We're gonna go see somebody. But we're gonna get ready. Xavier's heading over right now. We're about to go catch a flight.
He ain't telling like a whole background or nothing. He just said we just gonna see somebody.
We going to.
Oh,
I didn't even tell we was going to Chicago. Catch out the bag, going to Chicago. We're in the airport right now. In the corner of the airport, mind you. But going to Chicago, we're gonna go see a homie. Y'all go see. The ones, if they know, they know. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. Like, you already know.
He was part of the big group back in Cali, you know?
Come on. But it's gonna be cold as fuck. Bro, why is Chicago so cold, bro?
Cause right now it's still it probably dropped degrees. Man. It probably dropped degrees, bro. Like It was what was it? 44 felt like 30 something.
It's 45 degrees in Chicago right now. And on its hottest day, highest is gonna get is 56. 56 degrees, bro. But we gonna hop on the plane and we're gonna see y'all in Chicago.
Next morning.
Wait,
We in a water tower.
Chicago.
You're at the water tower?
Chicago water tower.
First time ever in Chicago.
Is this something to do in here?
We in Chicago with it.
I don't even know if it's something to do in here, bro. It's just.
This is like a
Ooh. Where we at? Big Chicago. But shit, it's cool as fuck out here though. It's really shit. This shit different. Wanna take some right here? That's the end of the video, guys. I really need to start picking up my camera and recording more. I did not get a lot of clips on my trip, but I hope you guys did enjoy the video. New vid coming soon. Sorry for the wait, y'all. Deuces.